Hello everyone, good time. A great compliments all of you with a cluster of red roses. This is Sridhar Mullik before you. I am very thrilled to be here in this pleasant moment. I would like to talk about myself. My name is Sridhar Mullik. I am running 24. I am a student of both Mizanskar Head Office and Jalokari branch. I have completed SSC and ACC 2019 and 2021. Now I am pursuing bachelor honors third year. Where my major is political science. I have a nice family. We are 5 family members in my family. We are 3 siblings, 1 elder brother and 1 younger sister. My favorite food is biryani because it's so tasty and mouth-watering. My favorite color is white. It's a symbol of peace. My idol Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Because I am a Muslim, my favorite books Holy Quran, and also my favorite teacher is Masud Rana sir, because he is a highly experienced teacher in Mizanskar and he is a friendly teacher in Mizanskar. However, Mizanskar others all teacher same highly experienced teacher. I think everybody should visit Mizanskar because Mizanskar environment so beautiful and so amazing. Also, my elder brother, he was a student of Mizanskar. Currently, he lives in Canada. Thank you, all of you.